In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails on Monday.com. Mass emailing can be a powerful tool for communication within your business, allowing you to reach multiple contacts simultaneously with important updates, newsletters, or even personalized greetings. Monday.com, a versatile project management tool, also features capabilities that can make emailing in bulk a breeze. I'll walk you through every step of the process, providing insights and tips to ensure your message not only reaches your audience, but also resonates with them. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Monday CRM home. This is where all your contacts and potential leads live, making it the perfect starting point for your mass emailing venture. The visual interface on Monday.com is intuitive, but it's essential to start here to ensure we're working with the latest information and within the right environment. Once you're in the CRM, the next step is to select the contacts you wish to email. You can do this by exploring the list of contacts displayed on your dashboard. Depending on how you've organized your CRM, contacts could be listed by name, company, status, or another custom field that suits your business needs. Take a moment to browse through your contacts and decide which ones will be receiving your email. After identifying your intended recipients, the next crucial step involves selecting them for your mass email. You'll find checkboxes next to each contact's name or detail row. Clicking the box at the top of the list or next to specific contacts enables you to select every contact simultaneously or cherry-pick individuals based on your criteria. This step is vital because it ensures that your message is directed precisely where it needs to go. Now, with your recipients chosen, it's time to crank up the core of today's task: sending that mass email. Look for the mass email button or option within your CRM dashboard. It's usually located in a prominent place since it's a frequently used function. Clicking on this button will initiate the process, taking you to the next phase of crafting and dispatching your message. Here comes the part where you select the email template or draft your message. This step might vary slightly depending on the layout and updates in Monday.com. However, generally, you'll either be presented with an option to choose from pre-existing templates or to start drafting a fresh message. When selecting an email, consider the purpose and the tone that will best convey your message to the chosen audience. For instance, an update email might be more straightforward and informational, while a holiday greeting could be warmer and more personalized. Crafting the right message involves not just the right words, but also understanding the tools at your disposal to personalize your emails. Monday.com offers various customization options, from integrating contact names seamlessly into the email body to including specific details that relate to your message or offer. Take your time to explore these features. Personalization doesn't just add a nice touch, it significantly increases the chances of your email being opened and read. Once you're satisfied with your message, review it thoroughly. Look for any spelling or grammatical errors. Ensure all links work as intended, and double-check that your message is clear and conveys the desired intention. Remember, this email will represent your business or project to your contacts, making it crucial to get it right. Sending your email through Monday.com should be as simple as clicking a final send button. However, always consider the timing of your email. You might have an immediate need to dispatch your email, or you might find it beneficial to schedule it for a later time when it's more likely to be seen and read by your recipients. And there you have it. You've just learned how to send a mass email using Monday.com, a skill that will undoubtedly come in handy as you continue to engage with your contacts and drive your projects or business forward. Remember, the key to effective mass emailing lies not just in the ability to send messages, but in crafting meaningful, personalized communications that resonate with your audience. Happy emailing!